Have you ever gazed up at the night sky and wondered if we are truly alone in the universe? Well, humanity's quest to answer this question has sparked a fascinating journey of space exploration, a journey that has spanned decades and has led to some truly remarkable discoveries. Our journey begins in the mid-20th century with the first successful launch of an artificial satellite by the Soviet Union. Known as Sputnik, this tiny, beeping sphere ignited a fierce competition between superpowers and ushered in the era of space exploration. The race to space was not just about satellites though, it was about human presence, and the United States took a giant leap in this direction with the Apollo missions. The Apollo 11 mission in 1969 marked a significant milestone in human history, as Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin became the first humans to set foot on the moon. The Apollo missions paved the way for an era of unprecedented scientific discovery. The 1970s and 80s saw the launch of robotic missions to Mars, such as the Viking and Pathfinder missions. These missions gave us our first close-up views of the Red Planet and opened up new possibilities for human exploration. The end of the 20th century marked the beginning of a new era in space exploration, with the construction of the International Space Station. This floating laboratory has been home to astronauts from around the world since the year 2000. Providing a unique environment for scientific research and fostering international cooperation in space. In the 21st century, space exploration has become an increasingly global endeavor. Countries like China and India have launched their own successful missions to the Moon and Mars, while private companies like SpaceX have revolutionized the industry with reusable rockets and ambitious plans for human colonization of Mars. So here we are, standing on the brink of a new era in space exploration. From the launch of Sputnik to the construction of the International Space Station and the latest Mars missions, we have come a long way in our quest to understand our place in the universe. In our brief journey through the history of space exploration, we've revisited some of the most significant milestones in our quest for knowledge about the cosmos. From the first satellite to the first human on the moon, from the first close-up views of Mars to the ongoing research on the International Space Station, we've seen how far we've come and how far we still have to go. As we continue to push the boundaries of what is possible, one can only imagine what the future holds for humanity's exploration of space.